Hello everybody, this is Squeeva here with another video under the Kraken project, and in this tutorial I will be going over loops. So, let's get started. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to just quickly create a variable. Now, there are two types of loops I'm going to go over. There's a while loop and a for loop. So let's start off with the while loop. Now, you'll rarely need a while loop, but basically there are three types. There's a while loop, a do while loop, and a for loop. So let's just start off with a do while loop. So to do a do while loop, you just say do, and then while x is less than 10. And this is just going to say do the commands in this while x is less than 10. If you want it to be 10 inclusive, you just say less than or equal to 10. So it goes from 0 up to 10, including 10. And we're just going to sys out hello. So we're just going to print out hello. And a crucial thing we have to do is we have to increase x. So if we run this, it prints hello 10 times. Now, that's basically a do while loop. And you want loops if you want to do something. Actually, you need loops for practically everything, especially when it comes to 3D graphics. You won't need them so much for sockets and networking, but you will need them for a lot of things. So this tutorial is pretty crucial. So that's a do while loop, and you can see it just increases x. Now, suppose now we wanted to have a different type of loop. So there's another type of loop is a while loop, and this is a lot like the do while loop. In fact, it has the same function, making the while and do while useless. In fact, all the loops have the same functions, and some of them are more efficient than others. We can just say hello and increment 10. Now, if we run this, it does the same exact thing it did with the do while loop. And then another type of loop, which is most commonly used because it's more efficient. And remember, when it comes to code, efficiency is key. And here we just have int x is equal to 0. So we declare the variable. We say while x. Oh, let's get rid of this so we don't have. So int x is equal to that, and while x is less than or equal to 10, so 10 inclusive, and you're going to increment x. And in here, we can just print hello. And you see, you do not need to say x plus plus in here. You can just have it here. So if we run this, it prints hello 10 times. So that's how that works. And now suppose we wanted to print x. It's pretty easy. You just print x, and you run it. It just counts to 10 from 0. And you can always have that equal to 1, so it just counts from 1 to 10. Now the other type of loop is a forever loop. And to make a forever loop with a for loop, all you have to do is add in 2 semicolons and print what you want. And you also have to pet a kitty cat. If you do not have a kitty cat, you will fail, because kitty cats are key. So let's save that and run that, and it just infinitely prints hello. So that's one way to do a forever loop. It's the more efficient way, but you can also do a forever loop with a do while loop and a while loop. So I want to go over how to do a while loop with both of those. So while true, sys out hello. And if we run this, again, it just prints hello infinitely. Okay, so now I will go over how to do that with a regular while loop. And it's the same thing as the do while loop. You just say while true, or it also works if you say while false, as long as you have, or I guess not, but as long as you have a constant variable. So while x is equal to 0, you're set int x equal to 0. That's one way to do it, but that's while this is equal to 0. because with loops it has to be like a conditional. You have to have two operators or a less than and equal to. So you can do it that way, but the more efficient way is most definitely true, and you just do your command. Okay, so thank you, squids, for watching, or thank you everybody for watching. You're not squids, but thank you everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, please check out www.andyphillips.org. Go under Java and look for lesson. I would believe this is 07 or 6. I think it's 07. But thank you all for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.